And remember, kids, be safe for online. What? Be safe for online. Come on. What? Be safe for online.
NetSmartz.org.
Be safer online. Here at NetSmartz, we do it all the time. Come on, kids. Click, click. It's Clicky in the safe side super chick. Here we go. Just kicking the flow, yo. My name is Clicky, if you'd like to know. So this goes out to all the kids worldwide. Listen up and get on the safe side. Be safer online and offline too. Ask Super Chick, she knows what to do. Red means danger, it means not safe. Yellow means be careful, it could be unsafe. Green means go, you're on the safe route. So all the kids stand up and let me hear you shout. UIN, UIN. Use your NetSmartz again and again.
Be safer online. All the NetSmartz kids. Be safer online. Be safer online. All the NetSmartz kids. Be safer online.
Be safer online. Here at NetSmartz, we do it all the time. Come on, kids. Click, click. It's Clicky in the safe side super chick. Verse 2. You know what to do. Use your NetSmartz and remember the rules. Never give out information like your name, your age, or your location. UIN. It's the smart thing to do. Use your NetSmartz. All your friends can do it too. NetSmartz. It ends with a Z. NetSmartzKids.org. We got Nettie, Webster, and Browder too. Come on, kids. Let me hear it. You know what to do. UIN. UIN. Use your NetSmartz again and again.
Be safer online.
All the NetSmartz kids.
Be safer online.
Everybody.
Be safer online.
All the NetSmartz kids.
Be safer online.
Be safer online. Here at NetSmartz, we do it all the time. Come on, kids. Click, click. It's Clicky in the safe side super chick.
NetSmartZkids.org.
It is all tied up now in the bottom of the ninth inning. 2 outs, and Clicky is up to bat. Foul ball! Good clean cut. That's a foul ball. 0-1. Long fly ball to center. Going, gone! Home run! That'll do it, folks. Clicky with the walk-off home run to win the game. The Clicky All-Stars 1 and the WYZZY 0. We'll see you next time.